Guys, can you imagine? I made this beautiful stylish skirt from a denim trouser with this beautiful fabric that you see on the top, and also from another wrap dress that was ill-fitting. So guys, this is the trouser. It was looking like this before everything. It had this patch at the back and it wasn't looking elegant, so I decided to use this fabric, this beautiful fabric. The legs, I used them for another project. I made a double-breasted vest, and the remainder is this short skirt. So I have to cut off all these unwanted pieces and remain with a short skirt that goes, I think, up to the crotch area. And I will cut off from here like that, and then the bottom I'll add the fabric of another wrap dress that is ill-fitting. So guys, if you have any clothes that are still in good shape when it comes to their fabrics, use them to make some other new clothes that are stylish and like good for you and for your body. So now guys, this is the wrap dress. I love the fabric. It's kind of a mixture of cotton and chiffon, and you see it was a wrap dress, but the wrap part is ill-fitting, but the fabric is beautiful, and I believe and I think and I see that it matches with the other beautiful denim fabric. So I'm going to use these two to make a modest skirt, a maxi skirt, beautiful one in this video, and that is all that we are going to be seeing. So the front and the back is joined from here. I'm going to cut and separate those two. The hem is finished, so I'll take my length from the hem up to where the wrap part is, around here, and then cut it. So I'm folding this wrap part into two like this to see that it gives me enough fabric for my gathered skirt part at the bottom. So this is all that I have. I'm going to just cut off around here like this, going across together with the lining also that is on the inside. But guys, the lining is less than the main fabric, but we will make sure that we work with both. So this is it after cutting off that top part, and I think this fabric is really enough for me. So this is the wrap part. As I told you, I'm also going to get to separate this front and back piece. I'm going to get scissors and cut that into two, and I'll really have a larger piece of fabric to work with. So I'm going to do that and show you everything. The top part of this skirt piece will be just gathered. So guys, this is it. I've gone ahead to pin down my lining together with the main fabric because like I want everything to be together as I'm cutting. Also, even when I'm forming gathers or when I'm pleating, I want everything in place. So I'll be attaching it onto that denim piece. So now guys, as I told you, my lining piece and the main fabric piece are not of the same length or they are not of the same width, but we are going to make everything align as we go on in this video. So first off, let us cut off all these unnecessary parts. So I have to make sure that my pocket pieces or pocket lining pieces are away. What I'm working with is really short, and yet I have to cut off these unnecessary pieces so that everything aligns properly. So I really have to be careful. When you're cutting, make sure that the skirt sits properly, like it is, the front and the back is aligning. Don't force your front waistline to be aligning with the back, because you know guys, the back is always longer than the front. So let everything just lay flat, just as it's supposed to be. So here at the back, I'm seeing that my skirt it has this asymmetrical shape, and I'm trying to cut off, you know, just below the pockets. I'm cutting off those other, like, I'm cutting off some extra like fabric. So this is what I have. It's not all that straight, but I'm going to work with this. So you have to measure and see what you have all around your skirt, from the front and the bottom, and whatever you have to make sure that the other piece, the wrap dress piece that you're going to add on to this one, has to be at least twice of this entire measurement of this skirt that we see now. So here I was measuring, and the good thing, it has some stretch, but anyways, I was good to go. The fabric that I have to add here is enough for me to gather it up and add it onto this denim short skirt piece. So far this is what I have, and I'm just going to pin my lining piece and the main fabric piece together. Then if I can even overlock the top part before forming the gather. So this is how it looks like. I've pinned it together. You see that there's an excess here, so I'll just maybe gather that excess up, or just fold it into two. And here, this is where I folded my lining and the main fabric piece to give me what I have now. So this is how it looks like. There's a fold there. I'm going to run gathering stitch all the way at the top here. You can even make two gathering stitch, but I made one, and that is what I'm going to work with. This is how the entire piece looks like. So guys, this is it after forming gathers at the sewing machine. The piece was really long, but my threads even anyways, the gathered stitch it broke, and I had to form another one. But this is it after that gathering stitch. So I'm going to form the gathers and then attach it to the main skirt. What I love doing after aligning and making sure that the gathers are enough, I'll just take in the sides. I'll take in the sides of this skirt piece up to down, from top to bottom, by just half an inch, and then I will pin this part together with the other top part, the denim part. Pin everything together. It has some other stitch lines on the outside, so I have to make sure everything is lining together. And when I pin everything together, then I'll just run a straight stitch all around to join the two pieces together, and that will be all, guys. So let me do that at the sewing machine. And after everything, this is how it looks like. You see, this is the finished skirt, as simple as this. So you see, now I have a beautiful new modest skirt for me from the other clothes that I had before, which was this wrap dress, and also the trouser that had some patch. that wasn't looking elegant. Now I have an elegant, stylish and beautiful skirt out of that. This is how the back also looks like. You see, everything is just now very fine, very okay. Next, I just have to go ahead and like overlock the inside of this skirt so that everything is finished properly on the inside, and also so that my work inside there, my stitching does not unravel. So I will have to overlock that entire inside of the skirt. And guys, simply that is how I made my beautiful skirt. I love it. The stretch is still there, the fabrics are still in good shape, and it all looks beautiful. So yes guys, I believe you can now make yours too. Go ahead and make a beautiful skirt, or if you have a short skirt that you want to elongate, you can use the same process and come up with a beautiful modest skirt or maxi skirt in different fabrics. I know you've been inspired by this video, so go ahead and make a beautiful skirt for yourself or for your friend or even for sale, and you'll be good to go. So this is how everything looks like from the front. I'm not going to show you the back side because it's just attached with a peg. This dress form or this dummy is smaller than the skirt, but everything came out nice and beautiful. See you in any of my other videos.